Standard 9, Subject Political Science, Chapter 1, Post-World War Political Developments. Dear students, in political science, now we'll study about the features of international system. The world in which we live today has been shaped through many events and developments. We know that 2 world wars were fought in the last century. The world completely changed because of them. New currents of thought emerged. Let's see what is First World War. The First World War was fought between 1914 and 1918. Major countries of Europe took part in it. The war caused a tremendous loss of life and property. Even the countries which did not join the war were impacted by the war. The economies of the victorious as well as the losing countries collapsed. Countries involved in the First World War. Elite powers: Britain, France, Russia, Italy, America. Central power: Germany, Austria, Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria. At the end of the First World War, all the nations felt that such a war should not happen again, and some measures need to be taken to achieve that end. League of Nations was established after the First World War to establish peace, but it did not succeed at preventing war. Autocratic regimes came up in Germany, Italy, Spain, and other countries. All these developments culminated in the Second World War. The Second World War was fought between 1939 and 1945. It proved to be far more destructive than the First World War. Countries involved in the Second World War were Allied powers: Britain, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, India, Soviet Union, China, America. Axis powers: Germany, Japan, Italy. America played a major role in the Second World War. It had manufactured nuclear weapons in order to end the war. It dropped 2 nuclear weapons on 2 cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, on 6th and 9th August 1945. The Second World War ended with the defeat of Germany in Europe and of Japan in Asia. Among the many events that took place in the world after the Second World War was the beginning of the Cold War. 1945 to 1991 is a long period of the Cold War. America and the Soviet Union, who were allies in the Second World War, became competitors as soon as the war got over. The cooperation between them gave way to rivalry. This rivalry occupied a period of 40 to 45 years of international politics. In this period, America was already a superpower, but the Soviet Union also tried to become a superpower by making nuclear weapons and by increasing its military might. The struggle for power, arms race, differences in ideologies, attitude of checkmating each other by strategies and counter-strategies gave rise to the Cold War. Effects of the Cold War. Creation of military organization. During the Cold War, both the superpower created military organization. The respective superpowers took up the responsibility of the security of the countries joining, like the military organization led by them. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, was a military organization under the dominance of America, while the Warsaw Pact was a military organization under the command of the Soviet Union. Bipolarization of the world. During the Cold War, most countries of the world joined either of the 2 superpower blocs. Such a division of the nation of the world in 2 groups is bipolarization. Arm race. The superpowers started producing arms in a large scale to outsmart each other. They started a rivalry to make more and more destructive weapons and to acquire the technology required for the same. But soon, both the superpowers realized that the arms race may endanger international peace. Hence, efforts towards arms control and disarmament also happened during the period. Developing organizations felt that economic development was more important. European countries came together and formed the European Economic Community, while the Southeast Asian countries established the Association of Southeast Asian Nation (ASEAN). Non-alignment. In the period of the Cold War, while the world was becoming bipolar, there were some countries which did not want to join the superpower rivalry. Such nations decided to stay out of the Cold War rivalry. Their policy is known as non-alignment. Non-alignment was an important movement during the Cold War. About non-aligned movement, we'll study in the next part of this video. Thank you.